Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a scale. I recommend 1/8 scale for a tabletop BMW i8 model and print a full-size template on 20x30-inch paper. Select 2 mm corrugated cardboard for clean edges and structural strength, plus 0.5 mm acetate for windows. Gather tools: a sharp craft knife, metal ruler, cutting mat, pencil, masking tape, and both hot glue and PVA glue for different joints. Also buy 220 grit sandpaper, primer, acrylic paints, clear coat, and decals before you cut. Transfer the printed template onto cardboard, then score and fold panel lines using a craft knife and metal ruler to produce crisp edges. Cut parts on a cutting mat and refine edges with 220 grit sandpaper. Build a simple chassis box and set a 12-inch wheelbase. Glue structural joins with hot glue and clamp for roughly 30 minutes, then reinforce seams with PVA for a permanent bond. Use 1/4 inch tabs to slot body panels together and dry fit everything before final gluing. Once the body is assembled, fill gaps with thin card strips and a little PVA, then sand smooth with 220 grit followed by 400 grit for a refined surface. Attach 0.5 mm acetate windows in masked openings and add simple interior shapes for seats. Prime the model, then apply 2 thin coats of acrylic paint, sanding lightly between coats with 400 grit. Print decals on glossy paper for BMW logos, mask edges, and finish with 2 light clear coat sprays. Let the model cure for 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.